Good morning students. 12th standard accountancy unit 1 accounts from incomplete records. Today we are going to see how to find out credit sales and how to find out credit purchase. Let's see the format of total debtors account. Particulars: to balance P by D opening debtor, by cash received from debtors, by bank check received, by discount allowed, by sales return, by bad debts, by bills receivable account, by balance C by D carry down means closing debtor. Debit side, to balance B by D opening debtor, to sales account means credit sales answer, to bank account check dishonored, to bills receivable bills dishonored. Let us see illustration 10. Find out the credit sales from the following information. Debtors as on 1st January 2018 40,000, cash received from debtors 1 lakh, discount allowed 5,000, sales return 2,000, debtors on 31st December 2018 60,000. So 31st December 2018 closing, 1st January 2018. So we are going to find out credit sales. Let's see the solution. Total debtors account, to balance B by D opening amount 40,000, by cash received from debtors 1 lakh, by discount allowed account 5,000, by sales return account 2,000, by balance C by D closing balance of debtors 60,000. So credit side total 1,67,000. 1,67,000 minus 40,000, 1,27,000. The answer is called credit sales BF. Let us see sum number 10. Find out the credit sales from the following information. Debtors on 1st April 2018 1 lakh, cash received from debtors 2,30,000, discount allowed 5,000, return inward 25,000, debtors on 31st March 2019 1,20,000. Let us see the answer. Total debtors account, calculation of credit sales. Debit side, to balance B by D opening balance of debtors 1 lakh, by cash received from debtors 2, by discount allowed account 5,000, by return inward account 25,000, by balance C by D closing balance of debtors 1,20,000. So credit side total 3,80,000. So 3,80,000 minus 1 lakh 2,80,000 to credit sales BF. Answer BF. Let's see the sum number 11. From the following details, find out the total sales made during the year. Debtors on 1st January 2018 1,30,000, cash received from debtors during the year 4,20,000, sales return 35,000, bad debts 15,000, debtors on 31st December 2018 2 lakh, cash sales 4,60,000. So now we are going to find out credit sales. Credit sales, after that we have to find out total sales. Total sales equal to cash sales plus credit sales. So first we are going to find out credit sales. Total debtors account, debit side, to balance B by D opening balance 1,30,000, by cash received from debtors 4,20,000, by sales return 35,000, by bad debts 15,000, by balance C by D closing balance of debtors 2 lakh. So total credit side 6,70,000. 6,70,000 minus 1,30,000, 5,40,000 to credit sales. Now going to find out total sales. Total sales equal to cash sales plus credit sales. Cash sales already given in the sum 4,60,000. Now we amount is 5,40,000 is credit sales. So 4,60,000 plus 5,40,000, 10 lakh total sales. Let us see the format of bills receivable account. Bills receivable account, to balance B by D opening balance, by cash or bank bills receivable honored. Next, by sundry debtors account bills receivable dishonored. By balance C by D closing balance. Debit side to sundry debtors. The answer balancing figure. Bills receivable received during the year. See the illustration 12. From the following particulars, prepare bills receivable account and compute the bill received from debtors. So we have to find out bills receivable account and compute the bills received from debtors. So first, bills receivable account. Debit side to balance B by D 20,000. Credit side by cash received from bills receivable 60,000. By debtors bills receivable discounted 5,000. So credit side by balance C by D closing balance 30,000. So credit side total 95,000. 95,000 minus 20,000 to debtors account 75,000. So bills received during the year balancing figure is 75,000. See the sum number 13. From the following particulars, calculate the total sales. The debtors 1st April 2018 2,50,000. Bills receivable on 1st April 2018 60,000. Cash received from debtors 7,25,000. Cash received for bills receivable 1,60,000. Bad debts 30,000. Bills receivable dishonored 15,000. Return inwards means sales return 50,000. Bills receivable on 31st March 2019 90,000. Sundry debtors on 31st March 2019 2,40,000. Cash sales 3,50,000. So we have to find out total sales. Total sales means we have to find out first credit sales. After that total sales. Total sales equal to cash sales plus credit sales. Now going to prepare bills receivable account and total debtors account. Bills receivable account to balance B by D opening 60,000. By cash account 1,60,000. By debtors account bills dishonored 15,000. By balance C by D closing balance 90,000. So credit side 2,65,000. 2,65,000 minus 60,000 2,05,000 to debtors account. Bills receivable balancing figure during the year. Total debtors account. Total debtors account opening balance debit side to balance B by D 2,50,000. Credit side cash by cash account received from debtors 7,25,000. By bad debts 30,000. By return inward 50,000. By return inward account 50,000. By bill received account 2,05,000. By balance C by D closing balance 2,40,000. So credit side total 12,50,000. 12,50,000 minus 2,50,000 minus 15,000. The answer credit sales 9,85,000. So credit sales answer 9,85,000. Now we are going to find out total sales. Total sales equal to cash sales plus credit sales 3,15,000 plus 9,85,000 13 lakh. Now we are going to find out credit purchase. Credit purchase means we have to find out total creditors account. Debit side to cash account paid to the creditors, to bank account check paid, to bills payable account bills accepted, to discount received account, to purchase return account. Credit side by balance B by D opening balance. By purchase account credit purchase the answer BF. By bank account check dishonored. By bills payable account dishonored. To balance C by D closing balance. So the answer we are going to find out credit purchase. Let's see the illustration 14. From the following details, calculate the credit purchase. Creditors on 1st April 2018 50,000. Return outward. Return outward means purchase return 6,000. Cash paid to creditors 1,60,000. Creditors on 31st March 2019 70,000. Total creditors account to cash account paid. Cash paid to creditors 1,60,000. To return outward 6,000. To balance C by D closing balance 70,000. Buy balance B by D, opening balance 50,000. Buy credit purchase 1,86,000. So 1,60,000 plus 6,000 plus 70,000, 2,30,000, 36,000. 2,36,000 minus 50,000, 1,86,000. Buy credit purchase B. From the following details, calculate the credit purchase. Opening creditor 1,70,000, purchase return 20,000, cash paid to creditors 4,50,000, closing creditors 1,90,000. Now I'm going to see calculation of credit purchase. Total creditors account. Credit side, buy balance B by D, opening balance 1,70,000. Debit side, to purchase return 20,000, to cash paid to creditors 4,50,000, to balance C by D, closing balance 1,90,000. So debit side total 6,60,000. 6,60,000 minus 1,70,000, 4,90,000. Buy credit purchase balancing figure.